Does Patriot software integrate with QuickBooks? In the vast ecosystem of small business software, two names often come up: Patriot software, particularly known for its payroll services, and QuickBooks, a dominant force in accounting. Many businesses find themselves using a specialized tool for payroll and a separate one for their broader accounting needs. This naturally leads to a crucial question for efficient financial management. Does Patriot software integrate with QuickBooks? As an accounting software expert, I can confirm that yes, Patriot software does integrate with QuickBooks, both QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop. This integration is designed to bridge the gap between your payroll processing and your general ledger, significantly reducing manual data entry and ensuring your financial records are consistently updated. Understanding how this integration works and its benefits is vital for any small business owner or project manager overseeing financial operations. Why integration matters. Before diving into the specifics, let's briefly touch upon why integrating your payroll and accounting software is so important. Without integration, every time you run payroll, you would typically have to calculate everything in your payroll system, manually create journal entries in your accounting software to record wages, employee deductions, employer taxes, and net pay, risk errors due to manual transcription, spend valuable time on repetitive data entry. Integration automates this process, allowing data to flow seamlessly between the two systems. This not only saves time but also improves accuracy and provides a real-time, accurate financial picture of your business. Patriot software and QuickBooks Online integration. For users of QuickBooks Online, QBO, the integration with Patriot software is quite streamlined and often preferred due to its automated nature. Here's how it generally works. Direct connection. Patriot software provides a direct connection to your QuickBooks Online account. You initiate this connection from within your Patriot payroll settings. You'll log into your QBO account through Patriot's interface to authorize the integration. Account mapping. Once connected, you'll need to map your payroll accounts in Patriot to the corresponding accounts in your QuickBooks Online chart of accounts. This is a crucial step that tells Patriot where to send each piece of payroll data, e.g., gross wages expense, federal income tax payable, bank account for net pay, etc. Patriot typically imports your active chart of accounts from QBO, making the selection process easier. Automatic journal entries. After the initial setup and mapping, each time you run a payroll in Patriot, a journal entry is automatically created and sent to your QuickBooks Online account. This journal entry summarizes all the relevant payroll data, including total gross wages, employee tax withholdings, federal, state, local, employee deductions, e.g., 401k, health insurance premiums, employer payroll taxes, e.g., FICA match, unemployment taxes, employer contributions, e.g., matching 401k contributions, net pay disbursed, customizable detail. Patriot often allows you to choose the level of detail for the journal entry sent to QBO. You might opt for a single summary journal entry for the entire payroll run, or in some cases, you can choose to send separate journal entries for each employee's payroll details. The summary option is usually sufficient for most small businesses. Status reporting. Patriot provides reports to track the status of these transmissions, allowing you to confirm that payroll data has successfully synced with QBO. Patriot software and QuickBooks Desktop integration. For those who use QuickBooks Desktop, QBD, the integration process is a bit different, primarily involving an IIF, Intuit interchange format, file export and import. While not as seamless as the direct QBO connection, it still automates the data transfer far more efficiently than manual entry. Setting up export. Within Patriot software, you configure your payroll settings to export data for QuickBooks Desktop. Similar to QBO, you'll need to map your Patriot payroll categories to your QuickBooks Desktop chart of accounts. It's vital that account names in Patriot exactly match those in QBD, including spelling and punctuation, to ensure proper import. For sub-accounts, you'll use the main account, sub-account format. Generating the IIF file. After running payroll, you'll generate an IIF file from Patriot software for the specific pay period. This file is essentially a text-based data file formatted in a way that QuickBooks Desktop can understand and import. Importing into QuickBooks Desktop. You then take this IIF file and manually import it into your QuickBooks Desktop company file. QuickBooks Desktop has an import utility specifically for IIF files. Review and verify. After importing, it's crucial to review the imported transactions in QuickBooks Desktop to ensure they have been correctly recorded and posted to the appropriate accounts. Benefits of integrating Patriot software with QuickBooks. The integration between Patriot software and QuickBooks offers several tangible benefits for businesses. Time savings. This is perhaps the most significant advantage. Automating the transfer of payroll data eliminates hours of manual data entry each pay period, freeing up valuable time for other critical business activities. Increased accuracy. Manual data entry is prone to human error. Integration drastically reduces the chance of transposition errors, miscalculations, or forgotten entries, leading to more accurate financial records. Better financial visibility. With payroll data automatically flowing into QuickBooks, your financial reports, profit and loss, balance sheet, are more up-to-date and accurate. This gives you a clearer, real-time picture of your business's financial health, which is crucial for informed decision-making. Simplified reconciliation. Bank reconciliation becomes easier when payroll expenses and liabilities are correctly and automatically recorded. Improved compliance. Accurate payroll records are essential for tax compliance. The integration helps ensure that all wages, deductions, and tax liabilities are properly recorded in your accounting system, making tax time less stressful. Streamlined workflow. It creates a more efficient and less fragmented workflow between your payroll and accounting functions. Reduced stress. Knowing that your payroll data is being accurately and automatically transferred to your accounting system provides peace of mind.